Hola guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're writing about Path of Exile 2 running on an Intel Arc A750 graphics card. Guys, I just got home. Well, not really. This is second time or second take of this video. First take, there's a problem with the HDMI cable, so I had to redo it. Anyway, hopefully this video would be helpful for those who are planning to buy Balmage and or an Intel Arc GPU for the first time, waiting for the Balmage release because the promise there is quite promising. Because the promise they made is quite, alluring, if you may, if you will. Yeah. So reason I made this video is because so you'd have a baseline, right? How it fares running on an Intel Arc GPU, right? And yeah, I installed the game onto my media server, not really my personal computer. The computer this game is running on in this video is on an Intel Arc A750 with an Intel CPU, i5 10600, rather, correction, 12600 non-K. Again, guys, it's been a long day. I'm really sorry. 12600 non-K, 32 gigabytes of RAM. It is installed onto a hard drive, but it is cached. I'm using PrimoCache. Um, and in regards to loading time, in my setup, in regards to loading time, no problem, guys. Very fluid, no problem there. And real quick look into the system requirements of this one. Did I miss it? Here you go. So it just requires an i5 10500, a Ryzen 3700X, Ryzen 5, right? 16 gigabytes of RAM, RTX 2060. So RTX 2060 versus Intel Arc A750. Obviously, an A750 should suffice, whatever. Anyway, there you have it. And in this video, I'd be comparing 4K gameplay and a 1080p gameplay. I'm using a 4K monitor. That said, running this game using an Intel Arc A750 on a 4K monitor, you may, because I've seen the previous video, and in this video, it may seem quite fluid or smooth, but while playing the game, I can actually notice a bit of jitter. It's jittery. The gameplay is a bit jittery. And do take note, guys. I'm not a personal, I'm not a professional monitor reviewer. That said, I can still tell that it's jittery. So you know, and 1080p, no problem there. So without further ado, let's launch the game. On the first take, I just kept on hitting next, enter a name. I ended up using a sorceress here, so no problem there. Gameplay is still good. And oh, I'm sorry. Right now, I think it's on 1080p. Yep. Let's start with 4K, guys. All right. So there you go. Sorry. And keep the changes. And here are the settings, guys. Intel XESS on quality. HDR is off. Elgato is having a hard time recording HDR. And there, everything on high. I just changed the shadow quality to ultra. And performance metrics is on. I'll save that and close it. You know what? Performance metrics on. Whoops. Sorry. I'll reload. or rather, I'll show Windows game bar as well. There you go. So we have performance matrix on the upper right, Windows game bar lower right, and an FPS counter on the upper left. I had to reload the window. 1 second. There you go. Life is slow. So this is 4K. I think. Are we on 4K? Yes, we are. So we are on 4K. If I'm not mistaken, if you're watching this, the video may make the gameplay seem quite fluid. But again, as I said earlier, it is a bit jittery. And I can tell, but to be fair, the quality of the picture is quite good, if you know what I mean. My Elgato is recording on a 1080p resolution, but I really can tell that the graphics quality is quite good. It running on 4K, right? So, dodge. Right. Too much coffee, guys. I might kill him accidentally. Better kill myself first. Okay. That's about it. So that's 4K, guys. And yeah, again, picture quality is really nice, but the gameplay is a bit jittery. But to be fair, I am on a high setting. I could put it down a few notches, right? But anyway, not the objective of this video. Now, I'd be running it on 1080p. Now I'm on 1080p, same XeSS, HDR is off, it is on high setting, shadow, GI quality on ultra, everything remains the same. I'll save it, close it. Gameplay is really nice. Now, to be fair, the graphics quality right now may not be that good, yeah. But do take note, I'm running this game on a 4K monitor. I believe this is a 40-inch monitor. 42 inches of 42 inches monitor. And the picture's blown up. So you know how it is. If you blow up a picture, zoom in, the quality of it will be, expanded, right? So it wouldn't really be that good, right? That said, if you're running, you won't be buying a Battle Mage together with a 4K monitor, is all I'm saying. So that said, if you'd be running this game in a 1080p resolution with a 1080p monitor, and a 1080p monitor should be fine as long as it's not the oversized monitor. 1080p 27-inch monitor should be really nice in my opinion. The scaling is just right, yeah, maybe don't take my word for it. It's been a while since I had that monitor size, so yeah, maybe let's heal first. And I really do tend to open my mouth every time I dodge, right? Anyway, um, ah. So yeah, I won't make this video too long, and I'd probably, yeah, like I said, I didn't really mean to do that. Anyway, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Again, just to recap, this video is intended to just, make some sort of a baseline. Again, I'm using an Intel Arc A750. If you're planning to buy an Intel Arc Battlemage GPU, because it'll be released soon, right? I like the game. I love it. To be fair, I like it even better when compared to when I first played Diablo 4. So anyway, but uh, we're here to talk about Intel Arc. So again, guys, I hope you like this video. Find it helpful. As always, see you in the next one.